Hello everyone, this is my AllDoc final video for 650. So I'm just going to walk you through my old document and what I've done in this course for the spring 2020 semester. So I hope you like this video. So the first page here, what I'm viewing is the United Federation Teachers Teacher Center. So I did this course in collaboration with Touro College Graduate School of Education. So here's my cover page. Over here is my table of contents. We'll be introducing each section of my old document. So here's the introduction. So if I click here, it will bring me down to the introduction section. So it just took a few seconds. As I click down here, it takes me down to the technology highlights in the course. So just going to give a little brief overview of each page. So this is my introduction section of what we've done in the core, what my website is about. So this is the old doc introducing my website. So I've done my website. It's a teaching site that you'll find information containing remote learning, videos, resources, tutorials, and that are not limited to but special education topics, and other topics as well. Also a lesson plan. So here's about me, just a blurb. This is my screenshot of my All About Me word cloud. And here it says homepage, technology highlights in the course. So my homepage is down here. If I click on this button, it's now live. If I click on this button, it will link me directly to my website. So that's why I put my website link over here. Let's see, I have it open. So I click here and give it a few seconds. Something happened. It opened. As you can see, when I click directly on that link, it went to the website. So I'm just going to close that for a bit. Actually, we're going to go back to that. Where I left off is I just made a little quick pause, so I was trying to close the website, but we will go back to this page at the end of the video. So there's the conference page where I've introduced video calling methods such as free online conference call. And this is something that we've been using for remote learning since we shifted to entirely virtual learning system, and we are no longer in a classroom, and teachers has done the same. So those are tutorials for how to use conference call. We've been using Zoom, but we've stopped using that. We use Google Meets now. Here's the special education website with all the 13 categories. And here's my resource page, my fun stuff page, where I have a lot of Jigsaw Planet puzzle for kids to do, math cool games. Here's our virtual online learning survey that goes along with my lesson plan. And here's the jigsaw puzzle. If I click on this, it's going to link me to that jigsaw puzzle as well. Here are the articles I reviewed. So I've hinted a lot about remote learning. So due to COVID-19, we had to do the shift of classroom learning into online learning. So I've wrote an article about how EdTech came into light and how it's going to be, it's exciting because it's being very resourceful, and educators are finally using the website instead of it being pushed away into the dark. So that was my article in here, remote learning activity, remote learning information about how we're moving forward with the grading process and what online platforms and systems are using for the online learning and systems, making sure how we're contacting parents, and that kind of stuff. So more details is written about in the paragraph here. This is a resume, just a screenshot of my resume. And here's the link to my resume. And now, finally, is the group lesson plan. The reason I said finally is because I really been wanting to introduce this. So this is the group lesson plan. These are links to the actual PDF files and to the videos. So my group worked on a kindergarten math lesson, me and my group, and we did a subtraction lesson. So here's the learning target. Here's the keywords. So this is all part of the introduction. This is the video of like a hooker engaging the students. And now this is our math problem. I'm going through this really quickly, as you can see. And here, scrolling down to their independent practice, as you can see here, there's a link on this where I took a screenshot. So everything's on the PDF and on the PowerPoint, which again is linked to my website, which I'll show you in a bit. So in the math assessment here, this is a screenshot of what it looks like, but in its all entirety, it's right over here. So if I just click on this link, you can go directly to that math assessment. And here are extra videos for students who still need that more support with online learning. So we've brought a few videos like how to subtract with a pirate video, Khan Academy video, and that stuff. There's also, so I was thinking about, instead of having that, because we kept on thinking about what are we going to do for stations, for math centers, instead of having that group cooperative learning with math centers, it's digital. So now we had to think of different ways of interacting with students, since it's really, they're not in a group in a classroom setting. So we thought of digital fun math activities to support with their learning in a non-academic style. All right, so now I'm going to go back to the top here. And here's my website. Just wanted to mention when I clicked on that, there were a few links. So let's click on that again. So hello, Dr. Stein. I wanted to show you my website in its entirety. As you can see, here's everything that I've done till of 5/18. So I have written everything that's listed here. We scroll down. You can also see my videos. I wanted to show that. I'll make another video for my website, but I just wanted to go on to the lesson plan. You can see all of everything we've worked on. This is our previous work from Dr. Stein's previous course, which is also I had a great time. So here's my talking pet, a friendly welcome from my talking pet. Here's the jigsaw puzzle if it loads. It's a little laggy. And here's the video of me introducing the kindergarten subtraction lesson, which should load. If not, again, I'm going to make a second video introducing my website. So, all right, there it is. So I just wanted to show you the videos I published. So this was my AllDoc video. I hope you liked it. And I hope you found this very informative. I really thought this course, I've learned a lot of great things. I'm going to definitely talk about my website in another video. See you soon. Bye.